Hi, Coach and Northwest Bible families. I wanted to come back on here. I needed to reshoot the video because I felt like my last one may have been a little too confusing. I don't teach elementary at your co-ops, so I wanted to do a video just about the general group that I serve there. I'm going to take you to the art desk and we're going to go through the 3 forms you need to download, and it'll explain what to do if you want to come to class, if you'd like to join us from home, or if we have a quarantine and we need to go online for part of the semester. So come with me to the art desk and we will sort it out. So here are the things I have planned for our group this semester. I'd like you to download the fall semester guide, and that'll kind of give you the idea of what we're going to do, generally speaking, week to week. Now sometimes things go a little longer or take less time than we planned, but this is a general guide. We're going to paint a large acrylic landscape. We're going to talk about creating a background, a middle ground, and a foreground, and also putting in a structure. My hope is that this isn't just a paint along, but that you're learning a lot of skills so that you can create your own paintings. We're going to make a 3D Eiffel Tower statue. We're going to use 3D pens, and we're going to create the Eiffel Tower. And that statue stands about 4 inches tall and 4 inches wide. I couldn't find mine, but hopefully the picture will give you the idea. The next thing we're going to make is a seascape concertina with watercolor. And this is kind of an accordion style fold out piece. It's quite large actually. And so we're going to get a chance to do that. I'll teach you how to draw several kinds of ships. But if you don't enjoy drawing or don't feel comfortable with that, I will have stencils for you to trace. After that, we're going to do Chinese brush painting. We're going to use the wolf brush, and we're going to learn to do the cat. A little later on in the semester, we're going to go into the fiber arts and use cheesecloth with both paint and chalk pastel to make a layered piece. And when you bring fiber into your work, it just adds more interest for your viewers, and I think you'll really enjoy this project. Okay. Along with that, next, download the matching quarantine kit. Now, the quarantine kit is for 2 different groups. This is for people who want to stay home from the very beginning. I'll prepare a kit for you, and this is what will be in the kit. The other group is if we are declared to be in a quarantine and we have to go online right away, I'll have these for you to pick up, and this is what will be in the kit. Now, there's a small section of what you'll need from home, and it's little things you'll probably already have, like pencils, erasers, scissors, and glue. So you'll want to have that ready. And the final thing I want you to download is the guide to having online art. It'll carefully outline how we're going to handle that. If you're home from the very beginning, this will be important to you right away. But whether you stay home or whether you plan to attend class in person, immediately go and join the band. This is an app you can find, and then this is the link to my band groups. Find the one you're in and join, and I want you to do that right away, hopefully even before our very first class. That way, if we all have to go online quickly, I'll be set up to do that. And then you're going to find our online schedule, both for in a quarantine and not in a quarantine. If you're joining us only online, you'll want to read through how the schedule will work not in a quarantine, and you'll see how that will be done. And finally, we're going to have an online art showcase through artzonia.com. And so I'll be gathering your emails and sending you invitations to participate in that if you choose. Please feel free to reach out to me at missapronstrings@gmail.com if you have any questions at all. And I look forward to being with you all this semester. Have a happy summer, and I'll see you soon.